Alright, everybody, today we are going to be running the track, and when we're running the track, we'll be developing our cardiovascular endurance. Cardiovascular endurance means we are working our heart and lungs for a period of time, so you should find that your heart is beating very fast and you're breathing much harder by the end of it. Make sure you watch the introduction video and then get ready to run.
Hey everybody, so for this we're going to be going through running on the track. Now obviously we're not here to run the track together. So what you're going to do is you are going to watch the video of me running on the track. I purposely did it in such a way that each lap is 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now the video is only 4 laps, alright? So we know that when we run a mile we run 8 laps. If we were to run every lap at 1 minute and 30 seconds, that's a 12-minute mile, and we know that's a small mile time. And for those of you that are new to Joiner, if we get to be face-to-face and do regular stuff, then we'll learn a little bit more about that. So what you're going to do is, when it's time to run the track, you're going to run the track, you are going to jog in place, and you're going to jog in place with me. I'm doing the running for you for a certain amount of time, and you're going to jog in place. The idea for you guys is to watch the video 2 times. Or you may jog in place for 12 minutes. Now you've got a couple of options. You can do 6 minutes, take a break, 6 minutes, you can do all 12 minutes. But Coach Holt, I don't know that I can jog in place the whole time. That's not a problem. If you think, that's a kind of a lot of jogging in place for right now, that's fine. So you can march or walk in place, you count to 10, and then you jog again. So if you need to stop to slow down, not a problem. Count to 10, and then go again. Now, on my PE page at the bottom there is a link to the jog log. So you can download it. You've got 2 options. You can print it off, option 1. Option number 2, just save it to your computer, that's fine. So anytime you follow the video, you're going to mark it on your jog log. So for example, the day you watch the video, you write down the date, and then it said jogged in place with the video how many times. So if I've watched the video 2 times, I write the number 2. But then there's another column here and it says jogged or ran for time, how long? And in that column, let's say you don't watch the video but you jog in place for 6 minutes, you'd write 6 minutes. Or you jog in your neighborhood for 6 minutes, you write 6 minutes. If you are jogging with video, you write how many times you do the video in this lot, in this first column. Oh, sorry, the middle one. In the next one, if you're not watching the video but you're running somewhere, you're going to tell me how long you ran. My aim for you is for you to be running for 12 minutes, which is watching the video twice or just running somewhere for 12 minutes. That's going to get us in the habit of that running 12-minute mile for when we do the smile mile when we get a chance to come back to school. Remember, if you feel like you cannot jog the whole time in place or out in the neighborhood, that is not a problem. You're going to slow down to a march or a walk in place, or if you're in the neighborhood, march or walk, you count to 10, but then you go again. The goal is to try and jog in place the whole time if you're running in your neighborhood or outside somewhere, to run the whole time. Remember, you can stop and slow down. You count to 10 in a walk or a march and then you run again. Remember, fill it in on your log, because then at the end of the quarter you're going to submit this to me so I can see how far you've been running. If you have any questions, just tippy tappy tappy tap, tip tap tap, shoot me an email and I will see you in another video. Have fun running, and I do apologise that the video is a little bit wobbly because I was wearing an action camera on a chest strap. So it might be a little bit uneven, so if you think, whoo, Coach Holt, I can't watch the video, that's not a problem. Just time it, or you can use the timer that I'm going to put with the video. So remember, jog in place or run in your neighbourhood or outside or anywhere that is safe. Run for time or watch the video, and make sure you mark it on your jog log. Have fun running, everyone.
Okay folks, now you've watched the introduction video, make sure you've got your safe area for working, make sure you are ready to run along with the video. In the future you don't necessarily have to run with the video is going to be a little bit bumpy, I apologise for that, so get yourself ready to jog in place along with the video. Have fun!
Hey everybody, so right now we are at the track. We are going to do a track exercise. I'm going to run 4 laps. And you're going to jog in place with me. So we're only going to do half a mile, and I'll explain more, not in this video, I'll explain more a little bit later on about what we're actually going to do with that. So, everybody get ready, jog in place with me. Now, if you have somewhere that you can in place if you don't know what you're talking about. I've worked in the camera doesn't just do that, and then walk far around. It'd be crazy. Right. number 4 done.
Okay, good job, everybody. All right, so you've now run for 6 minutes. Remember, our goal is to run for 12, so you have two choices at this point. Choice number 1, watch the video again, so you're going to need to rewind a little bit to go back to your start of the video. Or choice number 2, get a timer or someone to time you, or listen to music and jog in place for 6 minutes. Remember, when you're done, complete your jog log and make sure you have a drink. Good job, everybody.